Unicorns are so last year. This mermaid bark is a sweet treat that's a little more whimsical, mythical, and current, ideal for a kids' party, a beach-themed event, or a gift for a mermaid fan. On a baking sheet, lined with parchment or waxed paper, drop large dollops of each color, making sure that different colors are next to each other. Our mermaid bark recipe calls for white, purple, and pink candy melts. Use an offset spatula to swirl the colors together and evenly spread the melted candy across the baking sheet. Be sure to swirl and not muddle the different colors together. Waste no time in sprinkling the candy bark with shimmers and sprinkles. You want the candy decor to set firmly on top of the melted candy as it hardens. Place the baking sheet in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes to set up. Once the bark is hardened, peel it up from the parchment or waxed paper and use your hands to break it into large and small pieces.